All right, I'm joined now by defense and trial attorney Misty Marris. Misty, great to see you. I mean, powerful impact statement there from the mother of Madison, and there is more to come. So in totality, how is the judge going to render a decision? What are the things that he is considering before making a decision about life with or without parole?
Fred, as we predicted, this is such an emotional day in court because we're hearing for the first time from the victims' families. The judge right now, his job is to weigh what's called aggravating and mitigating factors. Of course, aggravating factors are going to come from the prosecution. Mitigating factors, that will come from the defense. The victim impact statements, another factor that he will weigh. The impact on the victims, the impact on the community, because remember, here there is a terrorism charge. That means the pool of people who can speak today is open to anyone who is in that school. So all of that the judge will take into consideration, but a primary factor, Fred, can this person be rehabilitated? That's going to be something the judge will be laser focused on.
And you know, you point to that terrorism charge. I mean, this is very unique. He is the first of a U.S. school shooter charged with terrorism. 4 students killed at Oxford High School, as we saw their pictures. He has pleaded guilty. How do you see this potentially influencing the judge, as well as those impact statements and hearing from the community of the impact that it has made as a result of what happened 2 years ago?
Yeah, this is going to be opening the door to many more people who have the opportunity to speak. So this particular statute, really wide ranging. As Jean said, no limitations on time, no limitations on the individuals that can come forward. So this is a really large pool. Hundreds, if not thousands, could be impacted and could speak today in court. So we're not only hearing from those families who lost a loved one, we're hearing the terror and the horror from people who were in the school that day. So certainly, to be a human, you're a judge, you've got a job, but you're also a human being. That's going to be something that's going to sway you in the course of the decision.
They'll forever be living with those feelings. And just as you heard from the mother, it's her thought that he too will forever be living with the feelings of the results of what happened. Thank you so much, Misty Marris. Appreciate that. Of course, we're going to continue to monitor the impact statements that are taking place there, and we'll dip in as we learn more, John.